and welcome to TNV Academy, your trusted source for understanding ISO standards, quality systems, and sustainable practices, made simple and actionable. In today's video, we are talking about something critical for businesses, governments, and our planet. Why environmental performance evaluation or EPE really matters. Whether you are running a factory, a service business, or just starting your sustainability journey, this is for you. Let's dive in. So first, what is Environmental Performance Evaluation or EPE? EPE is a structured process used to measure, monitor, and communicate how well an organization is doing when it comes to environmental management. It is about turning good intentions into measurable results, and this is where the ISO 14031 standard comes in. It gives you the guidelines and tools to do it right. Why EPE matters? Moves you beyond compliance. Just following environmental laws is not enough anymore. EPE helps you go beyond compliance by tracking your actual impact and driving real improvement. Data-driven decisions. EPE provides reliable data on energy use, emissions, waste, water consumption, and more. This helps organizations make smart, informed decisions based on facts, not guesses. Boost sustainability goals. If your organization has goals around carbon reduction, water efficiency, or zero waste, EPE is the tool that tells you whether your actions are actually working. Builds trust and transparency. Customers, investors, and regulators all want proof that your company is environmentally responsible. EPE gives you measurable results that you can report, building trust with your stakeholders. Saves money in the long run. Better performance is equal to less waste is equals to more efficiency. That translates into cost saving, improved processes, and long-term profitability. Real-world example, simple case. Let's say a company wants to reduce energy use. With EPE, they can set up performance indicators like kWh used per unit of production, track usage monthly or weekly, analyze trends, and take actions such as upgrading machines or changing shift schedules. Over time, they don't just reduce energy, they reduce cost and carbon footprint too. That is the power of environmental performance evaluation. Environmental performance evaluation helps organizations turn environmental goals into measurable success. It supports sustainability, transparency, cost savings, and continuous improvement. And most importantly, it shows that your organization cares enough to measure what matters. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy, your go-to channel for ISO standards and practical insights in quality and sustainability. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our next episode. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can't manage what you don't measure. Start your EPE journey today.